What's up, guys? Welcome back to.
Travel and fun.
Yes, this time we are on a trip in Denmark. Actually, it's summertime, and we thought of going somewhere. It's not a complete vacation.
It's a vacation.
Yes, and actually it's a road trip. We have done like almost. It's to do like around 4.5-5 hours of road trip from where we are in Copenhagen.
Yeah, but with some stops in between, it'll easily take.
Yeah,
more than
7 hours. Yeah, roughly
Yeah.
7 to 8 hours. So yes, we are going to the northernmost point of Denmark, which is called Skagen. But we are staying at a very beautiful place. It's called Nukobing Mors. So it's a small
It's
island.
in Aalborg.
It's close to Aalborg.
Yeah.
It's a small island which is close to Aalborg. So we are like 6 families together, and we have taken a big cottage.
It's a summer house.
Yeah, it's a very big summer house. I don't know if you can call it a summer house. It's like a big what do you say? A big cottage. Yeah. So today what we are doing is we are planning to go to Skagen, which is the northernmost point of Denmark. There's a very interesting geographical phenomena that happens there, and this area is super beautiful. I will try to put some drone shots and everything as much as possible, and all the way along from here to Skagen and in and around here there are lots of places, interesting places in Denmark, which I'll show you.
Yeah.
Make sure you watch this video and the upcoming videos from Skagen, this series. It will be super amazing. It is very surprising to see some geographical phenomena in Denmark.
Yeah.
Trust me. Yeah.
And luckily today it's very sunny and nice
Absolutely.
weather. So,
Absolutely.
Yeah, making use of it.
Yes, it's amazing. Yeah. So I think the temperature is around 23 degrees Celsius, but super good. So stay tuned to our channel and keep watching our videos. We'll see you around. The bridge that you see here is called the Wilsund Bridge or the Wilsund Broen, which is a notable landmark in northwestern Jutland, connecting the island of Mors with the mainland peninsula of Thy. It's a bascule arch bridge, which means that it has a section that can be lifted to allow for marine traffic to pass underneath. The bridge features 5 fixed arch spans and a single bascule or flap section in the middle. The bridge is 382 meters long and almost 10 meters wide. It was constructed in 1939, July the 16th, and it replaced a very famous previous ferry service that operated between the two areas.
So this is the port of Frederikshavn, and this is where the DFDS cruise will stop
Yeah, during
during
ferry
the
from Copenhagen to Oslo.
And mostly this will be around night, right?
Yeah, 9-10 p.m.
Yeah, true.
We are now almost approaching the tip of Denmark, the northernmost tip of Denmark, and look at how the landscape has already become. Like it's very arid. There's hardly any vegetation. Small hills. Yeah, I'm very excited to show you some drone shots once we reach the tip. See you.
And sleepy me.
So guys, we are here at Skagen, but the place is it's in Skagen, but it's actually called Grenen. Yeah, and this is the northernmost tip of Denmark, or you can say the continental mass of EU. Yeah, so This is actually where you can park your car here when you come to Grenen. There are actually two parking lots, one to the right of the roundabout. That's the tractor that takes you to Arana, Anusha. That's the tractor that takes you to the beach, or which is the tip. The reason is because it's actually very sandy, and there is an interesting geographical phenomena, as we told you, that's happening there. And the phenomena is there are two seas meeting each other, so you can literally see the waves in two directions. I'll let you know more once we are there, but practical information, so you can see this is all parking, and you have to pay to park here. If you're charging an electric car, you can charge for 3 hours, so that way you get free parking. So that's about this, and you have to pay for the tractor. I don't know how much, but once I get in, I'll let you know. So let's see you. I'll see you inside the tractor. കുറച്ച് അപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് മാറിയിട്ടാണ്. Some more practical information, guys. So this is where you can get the washrooms are here, and it's just besides the parking lot. And there you can see there's the tractor that goes, and you have to take the tickets there where Anaka is now going. So it's a ticket automat where you get your tickets. So how to get your tickets? Pay with credit card. Yes, there you go. You can tap and pay. Yeah. Transaction was approved. Remember? Yes, there you go. Let's go. Yay. So tractor has started moving, guys. They come for ticket control inside the bus. So that's one of the seas, guys. Look at how the tractor is hopping. Boop, boop, boop. So guys, welcome to Grenen. This is Grenen, the northernmost tip of Denmark, and the beautiful natural
place where
two seas meet each other. So let me just show you what I mean. I'll also show you some drone shots after this, but just get started. So what you see there, that's the tip of Denmark. So as you go towards the end, it tapers, and on the left side where we're walking, there you see that's the North Sea. Which is actually part of UK and Denmark. So that's the North Sea, and to my right you can see that's the Baltic Sea, which acts as the water between Denmark and Sweden. So here on the other side of the water is Sweden. Towards the north it's Norway, and to the far left that will be the United Kingdom. So you can see how the waves, they are crashing towards each other. At least now we have sand in between, but as we go towards the tip, you can see both waves coming and crashing onto each other, which is unique to Denmark. And there are also some interesting facts about this place, which I'll tell you as and when I show you the drone shots. Beautiful. So the tractor just leaves us there. You can see there the tractor is, and your car cannot come here because we saw the way the tractor came. It was very sandy, like So I think it was around 3-4 meters of sand that you have, which your car cannot go through. So yeah, beautiful. Oh, Hanaka getting ready. There you go. What a wonderful phenomena. How both waves, sea waves from there, that the left side and the right, they are coming towards each other. So literally now we are in both waters. We are in. See, this is practically impossible anywhere else.
North Baltic.
Yeah.
North Baltic.
And then not.
North Baltic.
Ah, yeah, North Baltic. But this is so practically impossible anywhere else, left. The puja. See puja. Finally, that guys, how both seas are meeting each other. Beautiful. Wow. Welcome to Grenen, Denmark's northernmost tip. This isn't just a place on a map, it's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape where two powerful seas collide in a spectacular display of nature's force. Located on the headland of Jylland, near the charming town of Skagen, Grenen is a long sandbar, constantly being shaped by the very currents that define it. The most famous feature of Grenen is the meeting of the seas. On one side, you have the Skagerrak, which is part of the North Sea. On the other, the Kattegat, which is a strait between Denmark and Sweden. As you can see, their waves meet head-on, creating a visible line where the different currents and densities create a visual boundary. It's an incredible sight and one of the only places in the world where you can stand with a foot in each sea. The landscape here is constantly shifting. Over the last century, Grenan has grown about 1 kilometer to the northeast, extending its reach at a rate of roughly 10 meters per year. The area is a protected natural reserve and it's a haven for wildlife. Keep an eye out for seals, who are often found basking on the beaches. You might spot common seals and grey seals resting here year-round. Grenan is also a major hub for bird migration. The area is considered one of the best bird watching spots in Northern Europe, especially in the spring when birds of prey gather before crossing the sea to Sweden. Over 360 bird species have been recorded here, making it a paradise for bird enthusiasts. From raptors like ospreys and eagles to thousands of migrating seabirds, the skies here are a constant spectacle. This unique landscape has also inspired artists for centuries. The ethereal light and dramatic scenery drew a community of artists known as the Skagen painters in the late 19th century who immortalized Grenan in their work. From a geological marvel to a haven for wildlife and a source of artistic inspiration, Grenan is a truly special place, a living testament to the power and beauty of nature. So guys, the fact that I wanted to tell you about It is
Okay.
Grenen.
Grenan.
Grenen is that. So this tip of Denmark, this is actually the meeting point of two seas, like the North Sea and the Baltic Sea, right? So when these sea waves come towards each other, they bring a lot of sand and sediments and deposits with them, and every time, like every moment you go there, like if I go there now again, it's a little grown, so it grows little by little every moment, because it comes and deposits lots of sand, sediments and stuff into that point, and the tip is growing gradually at a rate of 8 to 10 meters every year in a northeasterly direction. So I was just thinking, like, probably sometime in the future it might grow so much that it will almost go and touch Sweden, and then we can just walk through to Sweden. But that is the quick fact about this tip. Look how many people come with their motorhomes towards it, and we have been seeing a lot of motorhomes here, like so many motorhomes, like
Summer is equal to motor.
motorhomes, yes. So, and we also have a motorhome parking in our place, in our house now. So we'll see.
So you're going to buy a motorhome?
I don't know, maybe.
Why not?
Yeah, because it's actually a good thing, guys. So you can stay in the motorhome. You have camping sites and everything. You don't have to pay rent for your stay. It's actually a good saving
But
method.
then, yeah, when you're taking it to another country and all,
Hmm.
then it might be a bit difficult, because then you have to take it in cruise, and then cruise will take long time to go to different places.
Why? I mean, you only have to go take cruises when you cross over border, like from Denmark to Oslo and all. But otherwise, you can go by road, no? Everywhere.
But again, it will take a lot of time, right?
Why? It's the same as your car. If you
No.
can go by car, you can
But
go
if
by
you're going to another country, you can go by flight,
that way. Okay.
which is more cheaper and easier. And
But the thing is, if you're doing a road trip, then it's good to have a motorhome. We really hope you enjoy this kind of videos where we do a storytelling in between our live videos. Hope to see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.